You're scary. I don't, Daddy.
Why you want to be a man?
I want to be a girl. What?
So guess what? Guess what the divine masculine spirit is? No, the divine masculine spirit is behind bars. And now y'all asses got to sit out here and deal with what you got. Because you done sent all the real niggas to jail. And now you got to deal with the men out here, and then you don't like them because they too pretty, they too soft, they too docile. Oh, what happened? You don't want us to be aggressive and manly and masculine and honor that masculinity.
I understand.
I just want you to know that black men's lives matter, motherfucker. Men of all color, our lives matter. You women getting away with murder. It's not even fear. It's not even balance. It's not even justice. What, equal rights? Equal ice my ass.
No, they don't.
We get away with murder.
No, they don't.
You don't believe they do? Bro, there will be no balance in our roles until our women are ready to allow the men to take control and be men. And it's only going to be one thing that's going to make that happen. Is that men got to take their shit, nigga. Take your shit, nigga.